Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will show you how to connect Payoneer with Shopify step by step. And this is perfect if you are a seller looking for receive international payment by Payoneer on your Shopify store. Let's get right into it. So first of all, you need to be understand, or you have a question on your mind, that is, can you use Payoneer on Shopify? So the answer is, so first thing first, Shopify does not directly support Payoneer as a checkout method, but you can still receive your Shopify payouts to your Payoneer account if you use Payoneer's receiving account details, especially when using Shopify payments. Third-party payment gateways like 2Checkout or Payoneer approved providers like Payoneer Checkout or Payoneer bank transfers. So let me show you all the methods that work. So first method will be, that is, connect Payoneer as a bank account best for Shopify payments. This is, so first of all, I will going to talk about that. You need to be create an account on Shopify. Let's go into login and here, and let's search for Payoneer, and you need to be create an account into the Payoneer. The process is really simple. So here you need to be click on sign up. Once you click over here, they will give you the option to create an account. So let's change the language. So here you can see this is the panel where you can log in your account. If you don't any Payoneer account, if you are new, then click on sign up. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the here. There is a word, it is Bangla. Let's translate it. First of all, let's go over here. I think there is some glitch, that's why we are getting Bangla. So let's go. So here I need to be change this into the English language. So here, once you create your complete, then you need to be go to the receive and global payment service. You will find out into the Payoneer. Then you need to copy your bank account details. Like, you will get some bank account details for the currency like USD or US bank details. Note one thing you need to be noted, that Payoneer give you virtual bank account details in several currencies, so it will be really helpful for you. So once you're done, then you need to be come back into the Shopify store. Then you need to be click on setting. Once you click over here, then you will get the options here, get payments. Here you can check this out, and then here you will find out that we have this add payment method options. So here just click over here, add payment methods, and search Payoneer. So sometimes it varies on a country. Some Asian country are you able to use this Payoneer. So I have a store who runs through USA, so I hope this will be okay for me. So let's go again here, and let's click on payments, and then let's check this out. Not this one, let's find out my store, and let's see. Yeah, I think this one will be work. So let's go on to the payment. Yes, it's one will be work. So let's search for Payoneer, and you will get the option when you will search. Like, you need to be find out, this is the first method when you done it. So next method will be, that is, use a third-party payment gateway like 2Checkout or others. So here search 2Checkout. Here you can see this one support Payoneer. Let's go over here and let's see. If I click on install, like, if Shopify payment is not available in your country, use a third-party payment provider that supports Payoneer withdrawals like 2Checkout. And now you need to be follow some step to enable this 2Checkout convert class on your website. So you need to be set up an account with 2Checkout on your preferred gateway. Then you need to be integrate it with Shopify by setting payment third-party payment providers, and then in the provider dashboard, add Payoneer as your withdrawal method. Payments from your customer will process through 2Checkout and then get sent to your Payoneer account. So this is also really simple process. So as you can see our payment, so here they are asking for merchant code, secret word, and other titles. So once you've done it, just click on update setting, and this way you will integrate your Payoneer through to checkout in Shopify. The next method is to connect manually payment method. Like I already told you that Payoneer provide you bank details. So in here you can also set up manual payment methods. Like in Shopify, go to settings, similarly then go to the payments, and here you will get option called manual payments. So here you can see that one is manual payment method, and here we have the option for bank deposit. So just, or you can create custom payment method through this one, so it's totally up to you. So I'm going to click on bank deposit. Then here I will provide all my necessary documents over here. Like after placing the order, you will receive a Payoneer payment link by email. Then once the customer orders, send the payment request using Payoneer request a payment feature. On set, fulfill the order usual. This works for best high ticket or customer items. So this, you need to understand that your website will be applicable for this one or not. So next I will give you some tips and warning if you are using Payoneer. First of all, always match the currency for your receiving account. Then watch for country specific restriction, because like in Asian country Payoneer is not supported. So you need to find out that if you are working in a country, they are accept Payoneer or not. So watch for country specific restriction. Third one will be that make sure your Payoneer account is fully verified. So without any verified account, if you are using that, sometimes it will hamper your business so much. Last one will be consider transaction fees when using third-party process. So you need to be understand, then if you are using any third-party platform like to checkout, then they will charge 2 or 1% transaction fee every transaction. So do not try to force Payoneer into Shopify checkout. Use one of the proper methods above. So let's recap the video for you guys. So let's summarize it. The 3 ways to use Payoneer with Shopify. First one will be add Payoneer bank details to Shopify payments if available. Next, second method is use third-party payment gateways like checkout. And third one is set up manual payments with Payoneer requests. Choose the one that fits your country, business type and needs. This way you can easily integrate your Payoneer through your Shopify store. So, and that's it. I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. If you learn a new thing from this video, then don't thank me, just love this video and share with your friends. If this video helped you, be sure you to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Let me know what country you are selling from and how you plan to use Payoneer with Shopify. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.